So the earth is called Sandini Shakti in the Jiva, the foundational energy. And that foundational energy also impenetrated in the Jiva, as you said, Satchidanand. But if you look at Bhakti Sandarbha very clearly, it's not too much secret. He said, what is this Anand? Because we say Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. God is Vibhu, Atma Jiva is Anu. Anu means atomic, Vibhu means vast, great, all-pervasive. Sarvakata. So this Anand, he says, it's like how much sunshine is in the mirror. You take a mirror and you go like this, the sun reflects off the mirror. So, the sun is in the mirror. So there's some particle of sun in the mirror, but nothing, hardly anything. Very little prabhav. Although you focus it, maybe you can burn some leaves. So the Anand of the Jiva, because we're part and parcel of Krishna, but that's where our material logic and reason. Oh, Krishna's like this? He's a big God, we're a little God. He has Anand, we have Anand, but he has he has Premanand, we have small Anand. Now, Jiva Goswami and others also clearly state it's a categorically different substance. The Anand of the Jiva and the Premanand, or the Mahabhav and Prem and love of Krishna in the spiritual world, that's Alokik. So the Jiva, unless he has received the seed of Bhakti, unless Bhakti comes into him, everywhere it's told, and Sandarbhas and in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Pai means you received. Bhakti, in one sense they translate Bhakti as love. But Bhakti means Bhaj. Bhaj, B-H-A-J, means to worship, to venerate, to honor. So, really, as Prabhupada often translated, Bhakti means service. Whether you love me or not, serve me.